Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have done that, you just simply open Instagram and then click on your story right here to add a story, or you may also swipe right and be able to open the story section. And then you may be able to see the layout option right here, so you just simply click on it. And if you cannot see that layout option, make sure to click on the arrow right here, which is the drop down arrow, and click on layout. And then right here, there are actually four rectangles or four parts right here. So on each rectangle, you may add a picture. So you may add either from your camera roll or you may also capture a new one. So you may change the number of the parts or rectangles by clicking on change grid right here. So click on change grid and then you may choose 2, 3, 6, and also 2 right here. So choose whichever you want, and then again, you may upload photos or you may also capture a new one. So again, make sure first to update your Instagram app so that you may have this feature. So that's it. That's how you can add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.